How do you pronounce this word? Let's break down the pronunciation. Stultiloquence. Stultiloquence. 5 syllables. Stress on the second syllable. Stultiloquence. How do you pronounce this word? Let's break down the pronunciation. Stultiloquence. Stultiloquence. 5 syllables. Stress on the second syllable. Stultiloquence. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.